This is a course for qualified psychotherapists as an introduction or a deep dive really into the field of eco-psychology, eco-psychotherapy. This isn't a course, this is an embodied experience. Eco-psychotherapy is the integration of psychotherapy into ecology. And where we are now, we are in a very deep ecological crisis. And we need to take that on board. And psychotherapy is a place where we can do that. I think what this course has that other courses don't have is the variety of different speakers. It's not a course which has one person delivering a curriculum about eco-psychology. It's really a whole collection of international voices of experts in the field saying, this is what I've learned in a lifetime of study about decolonizing mental health, climate change, nature, the neuroscience of the brain. It's also a very experiential course in the sense that I encouraged the presenters to take people outside, give them examples of experiences that they use with young people and adults in nature, and they'll get a world view of some of these topics that are really, really important now, particularly with the ecological crisis and the unfolding mental health crisis.
What I would like to do is to take this hour that we have to play and to really dive deep. So I'd like to just go. Are you good? Are you awake? Are you ready?
Well-being in its various articulations could actually be damaging to ecologies. The ways we have learned to frame it as independence, as being productive, as getting back in the rat race, as being sane, if you will.
The intent and the yearning of all the guides at the school is to bring meaningful rites of passage.
You're getting them to make something physically in the world that it represents them. So all the time you're trying to push them out of the cognitive intellectual frame.
So I realized then that coming home to ourself as a recovery of the imaginal world is a coming home to the sense of the sacred, to the sense of the holy, to the sense of the imaginal.